Do you want to know how you can create a playlist on Spotify? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a playlist on Spotify. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. You can see your Spotify interface on your PC if you log into your account. So the playlist will be here on the left hand side. So you can see most of your playlists over here. You can see the plus icon, create playlist or folder. Go ahead and tap on it and click on create a new playlist. Then you can tap on your playlist name, remove the name, and then give it a new name. You can also give descriptions and click on save. And you can also choose a photo for your playlist. This will make your playlist look unique and differentiable. Go ahead and do this, click save. Now what you need to do is write down some songs. So you can see that I want to add this song over here. It will be clearly added to my playlist. So you can add more songs. All you need to do is go to your playlist over here, scroll a bit down and click on the plus icon, and you can find the playlist, or you can see the songs over here. You can add the songs over here. The recommended songs are clearly being shown over here, or else what you can do is go to the search bar and add your favorite songs to your album. So you can see that this is the new song over here. I'll just go ahead and click on the three dots, go to add playlist. As this is the playlist I have created, I'll go ahead and enter it. And if I go back to my playlist, you can see that this song has been added to my playlist. So guys, this is how you create a playlist on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.